What's up, y'all? Alright, we out here. We're gonna finish up tidying up the things on the race truck so we can go and take it to get tuned. Might even be able to do a little bit of the tuning ourselves just so we can get a better test drive. You know, do some hood rat shit real fast like. Yeah, so basically right now the RPM gauge is matching the speedometer. I got a feeling the VSS and the ISS are either swapped, like they're in the wrong positions, because this transmission takes two sensors and the 4060 has one. But first, let me show you what I'm talking about. Went ahead and removed all the switches out of there and decided to just go with one activation switch just to make it easier. So when the brake's engaged, two-step and trans brake will be engaged when this switch is on. When it's off, they go off and it launches. Damn! That's another nice dent. Forgot about that. I didn't get that on video really. Bitch just shot in the air from the compression. Basically though, speedometer, this has been fucked up. That seems accurate. It should be lower than that though. It should be like around like 500 the way it's running right now, until it warms up a little bit. But this should not move with this. So when you hit the gas, ain't supposed to do that. Alright, so, you know, fucking just use my right hand here. Get it on up in there. Yeah, baby. Ooh, score. Hopefully this one reaches. Might have to pull it out of the harness. Oh yeah, this reaches without a doubt. Alright, so it turns out that is 1,000 times easier to reach if you pull your connector off your shifter. And alright. Shiny, it's up under it, so that's why it's such a pain in the ass. But we is now good to go. Hopefully. We'll find out. Alright, we're going to take this thing up to Sticky's, get it dialed, and then go head up and help a friend out with his streaming setup. I'm talking like I got peanut butter on the roof of my mouth. But first I need to wake up all my neighbors, and you know, in Florida, this is what your windshield looks like in the morning. Let's see if I can get this bitch to crank. Oh, that was fairly easy. Yahtzee. Before we do any of that, we're gonna go see our boy Big C and get our mop here adjusted. I was gonna go back to having a mullet, but honestly, I think I'm just gonna get a clean fade. You know, that's what I used to do. So I'm gonna show y'all where I get the cleanest fade in motherfucking America, over anybody. Come on. Cash only. My man joined the cartel. God dang. My boy ain't playing around in there. We're looking right now. Huh, hide your mamas. That's what I'm saying. Thanks, Big C. Anybody interested in the Sebastian, Florida area? That's where you want to go. That's where you want to go if you want to get set right. You know what I'm talking about? Alright, y'all. We up at Sticky's Dyno in Sebastian, Florida. And I got here a little early because I set my barber appointment with Big C pretty early. So, just waiting on him to start his day. I think they come in around 9. And yeah, we're gonna get this thing right. I think we got a high score sign coming up, but I don't know if it's gonna actually give us the score. I think that's stingy, you know, when you play something and it's competitive like that, it's gonna just like take the fun out of it. Like, no, I'm not giving you a high score, I'm just gonna say high score. It's kind of fucked up. Didn't say high score. We might be getting something in the mail. Oh shit, that was fucking golden. Oh yeah, roll race. There we go. Yeah, definitely a lot better probably when your camshaft sensor wires are actually touching each other. Alright, well, let's give this a go. Oh hey, there's an intake. Oh hey, there's the camshaft sensor, and now it's actually, you know, touching the other ends of the wires, not split in half, just hanging there. Alright, cool. So clearly we have a bunch of things to work out. The street tune is perfect for street driving, and it pretty much shits on everything around it. And the timing is wicked conservative. Like You could say it's turned down in a sense. It's like wicked turned down. I'd have to look at the tables, I don't remember what they are, but the timing is like really far down. So we could add a lot of power in just timing alone, and we do run on E85. So right now, before even turning it up or needing to turn it up to go faster, that is an option. But I'm going to have a custom drive shaft made, and that's a lot of where my fear is at with the truck, because I'm not trying to sling a drive shaft and just destroy I don't want to hurt the tranny unless it's getting the beans. If it's getting the beans and gets hurt, oh fucking well. That's just how she goes. So that's gonna happen next, and I need to get the front drive shaft back in, clear a path for it, because I had a lot of wires and shit in the way, and I have a different transfer case on this now, so it's not the same as it was. So I need to adapt the shifter, because it's a manual shift transfer case, and I think I got everything to do that. It's just a matter of doing that and then start learning, you know, some suspension tricks, getting it to work, and getting it to actually come out of the hole hard. Drive shaft, custom drive shaft, because I don't want to sling one of those out, so I've been keeping it under 120. Race tuning, so right now it's street tuned conservatively for fun on the street, which it is. If you're rolling and you give it the beans, yeah, you're pulling hard, and if we wanted to, we could turn up the timing and you know, pull even harder. So we'll keep this tuned for street tuning. And now after the drive shaft and 4x4 is dialed, we're gonna go for race tuning from a dig, and Sticky does a phenomenal job tuning. With a stock computer, you know, you can only do one thing at a time. You can get a great world of street tuning, and can't have race tuning in there as well, because you got to change some things around. You need it to roll into it, you need it to not smoke them tires, and then the 4x4 should help phenomenally with that, because all four are pulling. Alright, that's where the truck is at. I'm gonna go get some damn pancakes, because pancakes sound amazing right now. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay horny. So we got 20 tries until we go to Twisted Tea. Should we let the pressure out? Somebody frenzy out. What? Alright, so got a little bit of beer here. Just grab one of these shop towels. Yeah, it's a good shop towel right there. Whoa there, Hoss. Turn that them there hurts down. So you're gonna have to. Let me make sure I'm recording. Oh my god! I'm recording. Okay. Shit. It's a good thing I left on the glasses. Okay. Go for it. I feel like I need a ring. I need something. What was that? Let me see.
Didn't do nothing. It was just a little arc and then ground.
That was cool as shit. It had to have grounded. It wouldn't have done that. Fucking give her a little metal haul. You're 13 years away. Oh, what? You know what this means.
You better let that bitch cool if it ain't. Is it cool?
I'm cool, baby. I'm cool. Come on, camera, where you at?
I can't find it. Oh, was like the most awkward camera position in the world.
All right. So I just invented me a new way to shotgun me some beers. Where's the camera? Yeah, that is kind of fucking...
I tried to burn it in a circle, but I guess my circle didn't work. That was big enough though, right?
Kind of ashy, but yeah, that totally was good.